For those who live the equestrian dream, the morning light reveals what matters most. Envision your path. Every detail considered. Every moment yours. In this pursuit, balance and assurance are key. The Tow and Collect 1500 Pro E is crafted for those who are committed to living by the details. Efficiency is redefined and time is reclaimed with precision in every detail. Effortless, so you can focus on what truly matters. Time saved and health maintained to keep pushing forward and pursuing what you value most. When every moment is accounted for, you have the freedom to live the life you were meant for, where time is not simply managed, but mastered. For those who know the bond between horse and rider is built on trust, care, and dedication. For those who know what it takes to live the equestrian dream. Reclaim your time with Tow and Collect.